People say I give my production secrets away.
Who?
Asshole.
Yo, Carl, see you around.
Fuck they doing over here anyway? Punk ass police.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Big or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my homeboy Carl.
Yeah, whatever you say.
The gang is real important, CJ, you know that. You down to represent, baby?
Yeah.
Look, my cousin is coming in town from Mexico. I got to go scoop her up.
All right then, come on. What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
No reason. I just wanted to get in the carpool lane.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill.
Your cousin coming here from Mexico.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Ah, Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
Looking like roadkill.
¡Apúrate!
Police are everywhere today.
Come on, man, move!
What are you doing?
The last guy challenged me to spark the police.
You are fake and
Okay, my cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here, let me do the talking.
Man, I should've known.
Hey, excuse me, Jose. Yo soy el grando smokio, and I want that grass, comprende?
Hey, fuck you, cabron.
What?
Now that ain't nice. Coffee-o up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio.
Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
Man, let me get the heat
Fuck
on
this, man.
Fuck this. Get him, Smoke.
Yeah, you go get that shit now. Get him, what you talking about? Yeah, motherfucker, Big Smoke. Remember that name. We gotta stick with him. I ain't built for this shit.
okay, little mama?
My plan to come up is going smooth.
Man, you blowing my high. Yeah, I really like French fries.
Hey, what's your problem? Hey, what up?
Not enough.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
She fine as hell.
Yo, my dog.
Yeah.
Hey, CJ, it's Sweet.
Hey, what's up?
If you don't respect your body, ain't nobody gonna respect you.
Over here.
You're too skinny, CJ. You need to pack on some muscle.
If I wanted nagging, I'll buy a clockwork wife.
Just looking out for you, homie.
You gonna pass
It's all
that
show
on
and respect, you know.
Yeah, I guess.
There's a gym I go to a couple blocks out from the Grove. Go check it out and get yourself a gangster physique.
What's up,
I'll
Mo?
scope it out. Later, man.
What up, fool?
What's that?
Ever slang dope out of Mr. Whoopi truck?
Yeah, that's the shit.
Stay low, fool.
Nice car, asshole.
Whatever, dude. At least I ain't inbred or something. Hey, who was this?
What's up, homie? It's Cesar Villalpando, cabrón. ¿Qué onda?
You seen Kendall?
Yeah, she's around, pero mira, I was just hitting you up to say that you drive good. And you like cars, eh? So,
Yeah, I guess. We'll be going with this.
well, you wanna make something, a little money?
Does a Pope shit in the woods?
I don't know, but if you do want a little extra, there's plenty of money to be made racing.
You talking illegal street racing? Hell yeah.
No hoopties, homes, just low riders. Nice ones. It gotta be nice so you don't get in, eh?
Okay, I'm in. When and where?
Drop by the spot in El Corona. I'll take you to the meet. Vouch for you. These guys can be very nervous with the new racers, eh?
I love violence.
Give me some dap, homie. What you driving that hoopty for, CJ?
Yeah, me? Look at you, pathetic bitch.
Got that fool.
What's up? Yo.
Let him up.